This is my sister at her job. Hey! Ah! Peterson's Donut Corner. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, my God. Oh, so this is what they search up the most in Mexico? Today.
Topic trend of today.
Wow.
Esos son los
YouTubers.
top
Famous
10
YouTubers. Yeah.
He actually made a video of these offices. I come in the video like 2 seconds. Y aquí tenemos el cine, se llama Internamática. We do have meetings here sometimes, but it's not the best option because it's kind of dark. Por ejemplo, cuando fue el mundial, aquí lo proyectaban en la pantalla, se verlos aquí, o cuando no hay mucho trabajo, la gente se viene a jugar aquí o ver películas.
So, they have their own kitchen.
Aquí compramos nuestra despensa.
Comprar.
Aquí en las mañanas está lleno de fruta.
Looks like a restaurant. This is where they eat. Wow.
When we have concerts, it's funny because you can see all the people of the other buildings peeking through the windows.
Just looking at it, looking at you guys. Hey, traficaria. You reported this cactus?
Yeah.
So she reported a cactus because it looked like a penis.
It just had like two. Like
Oh, it had two.
Yeah.
Oh, they put another one maybe because you reported it, huh?
Yeah.
So at their job, they have literally everything. They have a kitchen. They grow their own plants over there. They have a game room. There's people there. ¿Qué están jugando?
PlayStation.
They're playing PlayStation? Oh, whatever. We can't go in, but yeah. It's like better than my bed I have right now. You know, what the? These are so weird. Oh, you sleep on the ground or what? Mira, ahí se ven tus pedos, mira. You can do it though?
No, I've never tried it.
Have people, can I try right now? No.
Okay, go for it.
Really? Fabioso. Check out the tagging. That is legit. You can literally like just put anything you want if you're taking a crap there. I'm gonna put mine right there. It smells like a tattoo shop in this place. Quack.
Cuidado, peligro reportado más adelante.
What's up? Guys, that's El Ángel de Independencia. So what is it famous for? Who knows, but it's an Ángel de Independencia. It's just tall. It's actually made out of gold? Yeah. Wow.
Ahí, agárralo. Agárralo.
Ay.
No, no pesa nada.
Ay, siento que lo estoy lastimando, ¿no?
¿Para qué me sueltas?
So I'm gonna, oh, hey. I'm gonna play against these little kids right now. I'm gonna play against them. ¿Listos? ¿A los qué? ¿A los 5?
Va, a los 5.
A los 5, va.
Y el que pierda invita la
Va. Ethan and I are gonna put an ice behind Nancy's back. ¿Verdad, Ethan? Nancy! Se me va a ir. Tú eres rápido, ¿verdad?
No, era al revés.
Yo no la saco, no se preocupe. Échale pan. Ahora como acá.
Se volteó like flip it over.
35
A ver.
Estaba crudo. Aún. The mall here is better than the ones in Esco, to be honest.
No estoy frenando, no estoy frenando.
Bombea, bombea. Eso.
3, o 3.
¿Por qué tiene que bombear?
Porque no sube.
Tiene que empezar como a hacer otra vez,
Ajá.
¿no? ¡No!
Súbela, súbela.
Manches.
it was just really scary just because like the hills were literally like facing up this way. I had to drive this way. It was like if I was like on a roller coaster or something. It was creepy. But we're good. That's really future me.